Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove blank cell in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the blank cells. This blank cell is the remove. Then show the blank cells. Firstly, select your all data. Now keyboard press from the Control Z. Then click for the special option. Now click for the blanks option. Now click for OK. Then again keyboard press from the Control minus. Now click for the enter row. Now click for OK. That's OK. Then we show the remove blank cell in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.